Welcome to Fuel Your Mind, a web series where we explore all things diesel.
Welcome back to Fuel Your Mind. This week we're going to be talking about IDIDs and why they became such an issue for diesel drivers. Diesel engines have become much cleaner and more efficient than when they were invented way back at the end of the 19th century. Diesel fuel has also become more refined than it was originally. So why have IDIDs become a problem recently? Well, an internal diesel injector deposit, also known as an IDID, is a deposit or buildup that specifically occurs on the inside of your diesel injector. These deposits interfere with the spray pattern of the injector, causing a loss of engine power. They can also form in a way which causes the injector to stick, letting unatomized fuel leak into the combustion chamber. As injector technology progressed, the clearance in the injector became tighter, allowing deposits to cause bigger and bigger problems. And with the development of ULSD, many compounds became non-soluble due to the lack of sulfur, including the compounds that form IDIDs. For a closer look at the chemical formation of IDIDs, just click here and check out our Science Corner where we talk about the compounds that lead to IDIDs and how they get into your fuel. Thank you for joining us this week on Fuel Your Mind. If you have any topics that you'd like us to cover, just send us an email at the address below. And if you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give us a thumbs up so we know to keep making them for you. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time on Fuel Your Mind.